Did you know there's an easy way to square any number ending in 5? Let's try 25 times 25. First, take the number before 5. Multiply it by the next number. Then write 25 at the end. And the answer is 625. Yes, 25 squared equals 625. Now let's try 35 times 35. Take the number before 5. Multiply it by the next number. Then write 25 at the end. The answer is 1225. This works for every number ending in 5. Take the front digit. And place 25 at the end. A simple trick that makes squaring easy. And that's how to square numbers ending in 5 in seconds.